Our affordable CKE 360 service maintains your entire pre-owned inventory with complete sets of keys. A typical 100-car lot costs only $400 a week. That's $4 a car, the price of a cup of coffee. That's big value for a small investment. Let's take a look at what complete sets of keys get you. First, you get easier deals. Complete sets of keys make cars feel more like new. No more disappointing your customers with a half set of keys, so no arguments and no blowouts. And no more due bills over missing keys, saving you time, expense, and hassles. So you'll have happier customers, more repeat business, and more referrals. It helps with online reviews, improving your online reputation. And now you'll have a backup set of keys. No more lockouts getting in the way of a sale. With all of these benefits for just a few dollars, you can't afford not to take advantage of our revolutionary CKE 360 service. America's most successful dealerships use our maintenance system, and it's turned us into the world's largest key replacement company. Get started with affordable CKE 360 today.